Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ever wondered how to make a mouth-watering cooking thumbnail in Canva? Click Create, type thumbnail in the search bar, then select the YouTube thumbnail template. Search for cooking templates in this section and select the one you want to use. You can also create a new project from scratch. Go to Elements and select a background image. Then click the Graphics tab to open graphic options. Click the Insert tab, then select Table. Choose the number of rows and columns you want from the grid. Click to insert the table into your document. Adjust its size and format as needed. Activate Devi by clicking its icon to start the application and access its main features. Click Position, then adjust the layer settings as needed. Type your text, then adjust the size to make it slightly larger if needed. Duplicate the text and resize it smaller. You can also change the font for this text to customize its appearance. Adjust the font style as needed for your design. You can also change the text color by selecting the text and choosing a new color from the color palette. Add a logo in this area to customize your design. Click to add kitchen tools to your list or inventory quickly and easily. Click here to change the background color. Select text position and background option. Change the background color in the settings. You can change this setting here. Click Share, then download, and save the file as a PDF for optimal printing results. You can use the market for professional or best professional painting services. Now you know how to make a cooking thumbnail in Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tips.